Looking for the best extra virgin olive oil in 2026? In this video, we review the top EVOO brands for cooking, salads, baking, and healthy everyday meals. From smooth Mediterranean blends to premium organic cold-pressed oils, we compare taste, quality, freshness, and value to help you choose the perfect olive oil for your kitchen. Stay tuned to discover the best extra virgin olive oils worth buying this year. Number 3. The Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil Rich Taste is a classic everyday EVOO that combines Mediterranean heritage, bold flavor, and versatile cooking performance. With over 150 years of olive oil expertise behind the brand, Bertolli continues to be a trusted choice for home cooks who want reliable quality and authentic olive oil flavor. This extra virgin olive oil is cold-pressed, helping preserve its naturally fruity aroma and full-bodied taste. Compared to lighter olive oils, the rich taste version offers a deeper and more noticeable olive flavor while still remaining smooth enough for a wide range of recipes. It works especially well in salad dressings, marinades, pasta dishes, bread dipping, and roasted vegetables. Another major advantage is its high smoke point of around 392 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable not only for finishing dishes but also for everyday cooking tasks like sautéing and light frying. The oil is packaged in a dark bottle to help protect freshness and preserve flavor quality over time. The versatility of this olive oil stands out in customer feedback. One reviewer mentioned using it in homemade hair oils, salads, lemon drinks, and even on sensitive skin with positive results. Another customer praised the rich flavor it adds to tuna and noted the clear taste difference compared to lighter olive oil varieties. The convenient 16.9-ounce bottle size also makes it practical for regular kitchen use without taking up too much storage space. Whether you are preparing quick meals or experimenting with Mediterranean-inspired recipes, this oil delivers dependable flavor and flexibility. Overall, the Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil Rich Taste is a flavorful and versatile EVOO that offers authentic Mediterranean character, reliable quality, and excellent everyday usability for cooking and finishing dishes alike. Number 2. The Terra Delissa Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a premium single-source EVOO that combines exceptional quality, traceability, and smooth Mediterranean flavor in one beautifully packaged bottle. Sourced entirely from Terra Delissa's own orchards in Tunisia, this olive oil is hand-harvested and cold-pressed within hours to preserve freshness, antioxidants, and natural flavor. One of the standout features of this olive oil is its full traceability powered by IBM blockchain technology. Consumers can track exactly where the olives were grown and processed, adding an extra layer of transparency and trust that is rare in the olive oil market. This commitment to authenticity has helped Terra Delissa earn numerous international awards, including recognition from NIOC and Canada IOC competitions. Flavor-wise, this EVOO offers a smooth, mild, and balanced taste that works beautifully in everyday cooking. It's versatile enough for salads, marinades, sautéing, roasting vegetables, dipping bread, or finishing dishes with a light drizzle. The flavor is rich without being overpowering, making it appealing to both casual users and olive oil enthusiasts. The oil is packaged in a dark glass bottle, which helps protect freshness and maintain quality over time. It's also naturally high in polyphenol and antioxidants and certified USDA organic, non-GMO project verified, gluten-free, allergen-free, and kosher for Passover. Customer reviews are very positive. One buyer praised the bold, pure flavor and appreciated that it is not blended with other oils. Another reviewer noted that even picky olive oil users found it excellent for both taste and cooking performance. Overall, the Terra Delissa Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a high-quality, trustworthy EVOO that delivers authentic flavor, premium sourcing, and excellent versatility for everyday kitchen use. Number 1. The Grazia Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a modern, chef-inspired cooking oil designed specifically for everyday high-heat cooking. Made from single-origin olives harvested in Spain, this EVOO delivers a mellow flavor, high polyphenol content, and excellent versatility, making it a standout choice for home cooks who want both quality and convenience. Unlike stronger finishing olive oils, Grazia Sizzle is crafted from mature mid-season olives that create a smoother, more balanced taste. This milder flavor profile makes it ideal for roasting vegetables, pan frying, sautéing, baking, searing meats, and even preparing unexpected recipes like cookies or fried rice. Its high smoke point also helps it perform well in hotter cooking situations without overwhelming the flavor of your food. One of the most unique features is the squeeze bottle packaging. Instead of a traditional glass bottle, Gadget uses an easy-to-control squeeze design that allows for more precise pouring and less mess in the kitchen. It's practical, fun to use, and especially helpful when cooking quickly or controlling portions. The oil is also single origin and cold-pressed, meaning the olives are harvested and processed quickly to help preserve freshness and flavor quality. This gives the product a more premium feel compared to many generic grocery store olive oils. Customer reviews are extremely positive. One buyer praised the delicious flavor, convenient squeeze cap, and trusted Spanish origin, calling it an easy reorder product. Another customer simply said it's the only olive oil they buy because of its excellent taste and value. Overall, the Gadget Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a flavorful, versatile, and user-friendly EVOO that brings premium quality and modern convenience to everyday cooking. Thanks for watching our review of the best extra virgin olive oils in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect EVOO for healthier cooking, delicious salads, and everyday kitchen use. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which olive oil is your favorite or which one you want to try next. See you in the next review video.